Hi, I'm Jax.
And I'm Sassy Jax.
And today we're going to play What's in the Box? Hi everybody! A couple of good friends stopped by to drop off a ceramic nativity scene that they no longer used, and they thought of me because the pieces needed a little bit of work and they were not painted. So they asked if I would like to have it as a craft project, and I accepted. Now I have not gone through the box, so I'm really excited because I get to check out what's in the box. That's beautiful. Looks to be a candle that he's holding. Here's a camel. Does look like he needs a little bit of this removed, but he's a cutie. Here is a little lamb. Looks like has the edge. Ooh, wow, the inside there. He must be a wise man. I'm gonna keep him out of the way. It's on the bottom. Looks like it's a Holland mold, and this is a sitting camel. Ceramics is not something I've done a whole lot of, but I did a lot of it when I was young. My mom would always bring home ceramic projects, and it was always so much fun. I also worked for a doll maker, and we would make dolls out of porcelain. I'm going to take it as a challenge to get back into being creative, so he needs some work too. There's his feet. Ooh, that's pretty in the back. This looks like the Virgin Mary. Very nice. Another lamb. Donkey, or the ass. Another sheep. Here's Joseph, I think. Where's the guy with the candle? Joseph, probably.
Yeah, this is a wise guy.
Yeah, because he's got gold, incense, and myrrh. Pretty sure that this is Joseph, the guy with the candle, because he doesn't have any fanciness. And we have another sheep. And here's baby Jesus. Yeah, Atlantic mold. The other one said Holland mold. One more sheep. That is what's in the box. Thanks for tagging along today to find out what's in the box. If you're interested to find out what I end up doing with these items, please subscribe to the channel and ring that bell so that you receive notifications about the next time I upload. Thanks for tagging along today. Until next time, love you guts. Bye!